if you're a tech firm or you're looking at what your peers are doing, what's the expected growth rate? Just a couple factors here, and why this matters is if you're looking at buying technology, investment portal, payment factory, reconciliation platform, TMS, how many are out there? What's the size of the population that's currently using treasury management systems? How many are in replacement mode because they're on old technology? Same thing with reconciliation investment portal. What are the expected growth rate and market rate? Growth total in 2+ years, 24%, 23%. That's of the total market. And so as you look at the democratization of technology, for things like reconciliation platforms that are on the web, that are fully SaaS enabled, treasury management systems like GTreasury, investment portals, et cetera, this is the expected level of growth. It doesn't even include the full replacement market. And so where's that growth happening from? New companies, smaller companies are able to take advantage of this technology, and there's still room and less adoption. But when you look across these purple lines, you can see this is the percentage of expected growth rate over that long time horizon factored against the base. So 24% growth in the total population represents a 49% growth. So you could do your calculation and say, based on the size of this market from the different segments, we're looking at about an average of a 50% adoption rate. Therefore, increasing another segment of 24% coming on will be 49%. So you can see some of these changes and what's going on. A significant number of your peers are looking to invest in technology in the next 2 years and beyond. So that's worth noting across the board. And when you think about what the other tech is doing, the use of APIs, machine learning, you'll want those incorporated in because all those that are moving will be moving into that platform.